All right, for a Speedo change, the proper way to do it is to take both your side panels off, pull this panel, and you can actually get at everything, and it's quite simple.
Right, but
if you don't want to go through all of that,
hold on. But one thing, if you take this, do you have to take this panel
you
off?
have to take both side panels off.
So
get
that's
this panel off to get in underneath here to get at your screws.
right, but that also means that you have to take this panel off.
Well, both of these, you're under your seat panels.
Which means you have to start with the
And
triangle
bottom
piece.
panels.
So
So
basically naked.
So it's a couple hours probably by the time you get it done, but you can actually do it kind of surgically, if you will, if you know where the screws are. So this is your Speedo. It sits in here like this. Your screw holes are here, here, and here.
Okay.
So once you know that, you can get up underneath there with your fingers. You can feel where the screws are. You're gonna need a stubby Phillips, a long Phillips, and I had to custom make this little guy to get at the last screw. So you can use whatever's in your toolbox or
Let me, I gotta focus on it.
try out a few things.
It still won't focus.
But
There we go.
that worked for me.
Okay.
So then you can just come up under here.
So why doesn't a stubby work for that? Like, why did you have to make that?
It does on the two.
But not on the,
The last one's a little bit tough to get at.
okay.
So you just kind of come up in here.
Not that we can see anything, but you've gotta,
And this takes a while to get these out. So I don't know if you want to stop that video or edit it or whatever.
we don't do that around here. I'm trying to. No, I can't see.
So no, you're not going to be able to see. You have to go by feel.
Okay. Yes.
So this is the one for my little tool here.
And is there anything else you can feel under there that you could possibly unscrew that isn't the Speedo?
No, you can feel. You can kind of.
Yeah, put
Once
one
you know
hand.
where those screws are, you can feel them. You know what you're looking for, but there's nothing under here you're gonna hurt. Just don't be ripping, pulling on any wires or anything.
Okay.
We'll show you the clip once we get this out.
And this is the same on a Leo and a Zone.
Yes. Turn it back on right now, but
Alright,
just
good.
tell them it took 10 or 15 minutes to, because it's actually easier putting them back in than just getting them out.
Unless you drop a screw.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we're on our last screw here. This takes probably 10 or 15 minutes. Just
I've done it.
do your patience and don't get too frustrated with it, and it'll come.
It's better than
So-
taking off all the panels.
Yeah,
Really.
it does actually save you some time. So you've got your 3 screws out. That just comes out of here. Your harness unclips.
Different harness on the Zone.
It
But it's
is.
still
This
a clip.
doesn't. Yeah, the Zone actually plugs in like this here. You can see this harness here.
Yeah.
That's where you plug your Zone in. This one, oh, they're a little stiff. There you go. And so just reverse when you put it back in.
Yeah. It's.
Get them. Get that in. Get all 3 finger tight.
Yep.
If you've got a brand new Speedo, run your screws in first and take them out. That way they'll thread in a little bit easier.
Oh,
with
that's a
your finger.
good. That's a good
All
tip.
right.
Yeah. Thank you. So it is a plug and play. It's just difficult to kind of get to, but it is better than taking off the panels. Thanks, Darren.
Yeah.